Properties like this do not come on the market often. Welcome to Acadia Farm. This stunning California-style, eco-friendly 45-acre horse farm with its modern and unique architectural design is truly a work of art, situated well off the road, giving you much desired privacy and seclusion. This home is striking from the outside, sprawling and modern, yet unique, with all natural elements, cedar siding, cinder block stone, mahogany, and glass. The impressive living room is amazing with its floor-to-ceiling windows, recessed lighting, impressive fireplace, concrete floors with bamboo inlay, and Italian import carpets and tiles. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream. High-end Jenn-Air appliances, soapstone, stainless and butcher block counters, perfect for creating your favorite culinary masterpieces. The kitchen overlooks the oversized heated saltwater in-ground pool with surrounding patio and gardens. The master suite is connected to the home via the sunroom, which has floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors. The master bathroom features an oversized extra deep tub, huge double vanity with granite countertops, stall shower, private privy, and access to the porch outside, so you can swim and go right into your bathroom without walking through the rest of the home. There is a staircase from the master suite that leads to the private office that overlooks the property and accesses the roof terrace. The library fourth bedroom has its own door to the roof deck. Inside access to this relaxing space is via the floating cherry staircase in the front foyer. The guest house is accessed via the glass connector hallway and offers an additional 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a central living room. But that's not all. The external studio comes with a bathroom and kitchen and can be used as an art studio, office, or guest house. The farm is a horse lover's dream, designed as a professional horse operation featuring 3 barns that offer 20 stalls. Radiant heat gently warms the entire house, aided by eco-friendly solar energy and wood-burning furnace for energy efficiency. No, properties like this do not come on the market often. Contact Nancy Kowalik Real Estate today for all the details and a private tour.